In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on MatchTrader. Now, the first thing you have to do here once you are signed in into your MatchTrader platform with your account, for me, I have a demo account here to actually show you how to trade, but for you, of course, it may be any other account. Now, to actually trade, it's very simple. In here, you have on the top left, you can see favorites, top movers, and then you can search for different symbols and instruments as well, okay? So you could just go ahead and search for whatever you want. If I go to crypto over here, for example, and if I select, let's say, Bitcoin USD here, as you can see, it's going to pop up here on my chart. I can do basically some basic technical analysis over here. I can look at the chart, look how it looks like, stuff like that. And then whenever you actually want to initiate a trade here on the left hand side, whenever you open an instrument, you'll be able to go ahead and buy and sell. So here you can basically just see it says buy and sell. You can also select how much you want to buy. And I'm gonna, for example, buy 0.05. And when I click this, there we go. As you can see, the position will be opened. And down here at the bottom, you can now see my position is over here. Now, if you'd like to close it, you could go ahead and click on this button here, which will basically just close the position. And then if you want to be selling as well, you could do that too. Okay, so that's the easiest way to trade on MatchTrader. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.